What's up, guys? My name's Jack Cole, the founder of Video Production Plus. VP Plus is the single biggest community of freelance video editors on the internet. Being an editor is awesome, but if you can't land clients from it, it's just a hobby. Inside VP Plus, we will show you how to turn your passion into profit and actually make money from your video editing skills. Over the past 18 months since VP Plus launched, we've helped hundreds and hundreds of students change their lives through their skills. We have countless students who've dropped out of full-time education, quit their jobs, and gone full-time as new age video editors inside Video Production Plus. We have students making $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, even students making more money than their parents, sending their mom $2.5K, their dad $4K. We even have students in third world nations making yearly annual local salaries per month inside Video Production Plus. And after 18 months of insane success stories and building the most impactful offer in the entire space, we're ready for the new chapter. VP Plus 2.0 has finally arrived. Over 20 courses, daily live sessions from experts in their field, 1,000+ digital assets, a case study library of winning success stories. A couple of the people that I just referenced there, they're in the case study library. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just copy what's working, and an amazing, super positive community of over 500 members to help you and support you along this entire journey. In VP Plus 2.0, we will help you get paid for your editing skills, build a full-time income you can actually rely on, get your handheld and support the entire way, and build a personal brand and actually blow you up on social media on top of just being an editor. This is what we call the New Age Editor philosophy. With that being said, follow the instructions down below to join, and I'll see you inside.